Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make another one of my pencil toppers. So first take a piece of square paper and check the size you want on the pencil. Once you've aligned it, use your ruler to measure out how much to cut off. So I will keep in 7 centimeters. So I will mark it on both sides. Use the marks and snip it off. So as you know now, we have to take our pencil and start rolling the paper. Make sure it comes in a neat line. Like this. Take your fevi stick and apply some glue and now press it. So let it dry again. Until then, take another piece of square paper and start drawing any type of character or image you want. So over here, today I will draw a watermelon. So first I will take my green and add a curve. Like this. After you're done with this, take your white and a smaller semicircle around it. And then finally take some red and add the inner juicy part. Just like that. Then add some cute little eyes. And a happy smile. This may not look so cute until you use your whitener. Before we use that, let's add little seeds. There you go. And then last but not least, use the whitener and draw a little and some little details on the seats. So after you're done with this drawing, take your scissors and cut it out. Remember to leave some space as it makes it look good, like this. Snip it. So after you're done with this little cutout, take the roll which you had, use your Fevicol and add some glue here. like this. So then just close it and seal it. This may take a while to dry and it will keep opening until then. So you have to press it for a bit. Then take some more glue and apply it on one side. One drop is enough. And just stick it on. The watermelon, stick it on. And you can add some little details to the straw part. Like you can use your sketch pen and write yum. Tasty. And on the back side you can add little hearts. There you go. So you have a beautiful watermelon pencil topper, which is convenient for writing, which is light weighted. It's beautiful and your friends will keep asking for you to make one. It is light weighted, so it will not slow down your speed while you are writing or drawing. If you like it, friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.